Pa-check out na kami. Guys, so we're getting ready. Good morning! Kapag release na kami, nakaligo na rin kami for today's video. Di pa ako nakaka-lipstick. Pero, eto na si Ate Marie! Ito na si morning view. It's quick room tour lang. Quick. Pasok mo here, meron din tayo dito silipan. Pagpasok mo here, CR agad. Yung CR natin, it's okay. It's very nice. So, excuse me sa basura. Yan. This is the shower. Yan. Let's turn off the light. Ito. Shoes area. Sorry sa basura. Then, mellow place. Ito yung area na to. It's really good. Yan. Pagdating nyo, meron kayong coffee, tissue, and some free toothbrush. Ito, spam dala namin. Ay, makeup ko to. Yan. And then, TV area, aircon, and then, hi guys. Konti mirror. May plants dito. That's our things. Bed na siya agad. Curtain, another frame area. Very nice. And then, small table lang. And then, kusina. Merong ref. Ay, yun pala akong water. Then, meron ditong honesty store. Yan. Kasi may laman yung ref. Pwede kayong kumuha. But you have to pay for it. Oh, gasin mo na! Kasi after kumain, hindi pa naghugas. May mga condiments here. Oven, induction cooker, rice cooker, mga pinggan, and all. Yan guys, get ready na sila. Ako tapos na, lipstick na lang. Tsaka BS, and then shoes. And then, hi guys, tapis na kami. Sabi, we're good to go. And goodbye, Araneta. Guys, sabi sa'yo, hiking rin to.
Legit ba?
Sorry, Mari. Ikaw. Oh, ganyan guys, to ka-islat.
Diyan kita din.
Ito guys, oh, nakatalik. Tagilid na ako.
I'ma kick back, 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 back. I'ma kick back, back, back. I'ma be the best that you never, never had. I'ma kick back, 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 back. I'ma kick back, back, back. I'ma be the best that you never, never had.
Bakit na kami guys? Ito si Kuya. Kuya, anong pangalan mo?
Buba.
Ha?
Sir Buba. Hello.
Sir Buba.
Kanya may paragay. Boss, morning boss. Oh, pogi na natin na.
I'ma kick back, 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 back. I'ma kick back, back, back. I'ma be the best that you never, never had. I'ma kick back, 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 back. I'ma kick back, back, back. I'ma be the best that you never, never had.
sabihin natin paragliding. 1, 2, 3, go. Paragliding! Saan to lugar?
1, 2, wala sasabihin. Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Binagongan! Binangongan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, sorry. Ayan na siya. Kaway na. Grabe, hirap na hirap sila sa'yo, Ate Marie. Go, Ate! Let's enjoy! Grabe, oh. Ito talaga ang tulab, oh. Nagyan ka man mo na. Oh.
Oh, yung brake. Mike, sa kaliwa yung brake. Okay. Ma.
Tuldok ka na, oh. Tuldok ka na. Ala, piling ko siya yung may pinakamalayo. Ganyan kaliit? Bibigyan nga natin ng title si Marvin na pinakamalayo.
Sige, sige.
Ikaw yung pinaka...
Ulit. Di mo ko in-inform eh.
Oh, ulit. Ulit. Hala, tingnan mo pa rin siya yung may pinakamalayo. Oh, grabe. Hala, solid. Grabe, ah. Para ka ng lamok. Lamok ka na dito sa paningin namin.